Hey everybody, what is all that water coming out of here? Well, this is my hot water heater. I'm changing the anode today. I just want to show you guys how simple it is. Just remove the cover. It's got a little clip here. Pull it out, pops right off. And use a 27 millimeter wrench. And I've turned the main pressure off to the house. I've turned the electricity off with this switch right here. Your model may be different, so make sure you just turn off your hot water heater. I've opened the valves inside my house and drained as much as I could. So now we're just draining it out, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. The drain plug and the anode are connected together. Now, mine is a Suburban, by the way. So this is what happens when you wait too long to do it. Let me get in front of the tire cover so you can really see it. That little thin piece, I want you to pay attention to that. And look at all that crud on there. I'm going to show you what they're supposed to look like. This is a brand new one. So I obviously waited a little too long to do mine. So that's what it's supposed to look like. And that's what it looks like. So if I waited too much longer, that might have broke off and I'd have been in real trouble. So a lot of what you see coming out of here right now is calcium build up. You can see it kind of laying up. I'm going to point to it, laying up in the ledge. So what is this thing in my hand? Let me zoom out for you. I bought a kit that included this. So I'll be hooking my water hose to this in a few minutes. And this will let me get up inside of here, like that, and direct the stream, the pressure, so I can just clean it out all that I can. And so you can see the white on the ground. That's all calcium and crap that's coming out of here. So don't do like Scott and wait too late to clean it. You should probably be changing these out every year, depending on your water. We've recently connected a water softener to our rig, so that should help this live a little longer. So all I'm doing now is just letting the water drain, and when I get this guy all fired up, I'll bring you back. All right, guys, we're doing the clean out now. So I've got this pretty high pressure. So I'm working on the threads here, and this goes all the way in. So I'm just kind of spinning it, and you can watch every once in a while some pretty dirty water comes running out. There, you may not have seen that, but see that? It's very cloudy. Now, I know you can see that. See how cloudy that is? So I'm gonna be rinsing. You can even see it down here on my water cover. That is on my wheel cover. Yeah. There we go. So we're gonna rinse this until that is running clear. Now, I've seen some videos on YouTube where they just take the old anode out and put a new one in. But I think this is a very important step. So I bought a kit on Amazon that came with 2 anodes and this wand. And I don't remember, it probably wasn't even $25. So now I got the wand and another anode for the next go round next year. Just put it in storage. That's all I'm doing, y'all. Just spinning, spinning, spinning. Letting the water run out until she comes clear. All right, it's been about 5 more minutes. You can see now we're running pretty clear. I just been shoving this thing all the way up in there, spinning it, spinning it, spinning it, spinning it. And you can see that we're looking real clear. So I'm gonna do this for about another 2 or 3 minutes and then hose this whole side off really good, get everything off of here. And then we'll go ahead and get the plumber's tape onto the new anode threads and put her in. One more look. Pretty terrible, huh? Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape on those threads. My kit that I bought from Amazon included this thread. So I'm gonna just wrap 3 times around. You wanna make sure that you put your tape on in the direction that you're gonna spin it on. So I'm gonna go this way because that's the direction I turn it. That way your tape doesn't get all squished up in there. Let's get that done. All right, we're drained, we're clear, and we're just gonna slip it back in. Keep it nice and level so you don't cross thread anything. Hand tighten it as much as you can. For me, it's about that. And go ahead and get your wrench. Now I'm using a very oversized one because this was for my truck to get my tires off my truck and my RV tires. So mine is a little oversized, guys, but anyway. So we're just gonna spin it back on and then we'll do a test. We'll get the water on and do a little test. So I'll be back in a sec. All right, now my water heater is a 12-gallon. Y'all's might be different. So I'm just gonna go over to the main water now and turn it on. And we're just gonna let some water go in. Give it about 5 minutes. And we'll turn the power back on. So, oh, by the way, I am running through a Pro Aqua now water softener system. So this hopefully should help things out over time. No, it's not magic. But, and I do run a little filter up here as well. So let's crank it up. Let's head on back over. And what I'll do is I'll just check my time over here, and I'll give it about 5 minutes to get some water in there. And then we'll flip on the heater and go inside after about 10 minutes and make sure we've got good hot water coming out. And so our main goal here, I'm gonna go get a paper towel. I'm gonna clean all this up. Main goal here is make sure we don't have any leaks as it fills up. Well, all right, everybody, that's pretty much it. I dried it off. I turned on the water to the rig. I waited about a half an hour because I got doing something else. Then I flipped this on, waited about another 20 minutes. You can hear it. Hear it? You hear that? So we're heating the hot water. I went inside and tested it a minute ago. It's more than warm, but it needs a few more minutes to get really hot. And then this hot water heater is super hot. I have zero leak here. Nothing, dry as a bone. So I'm gonna put the lid on and call it done. And I wanna thank everybody for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave me some comments, hit that bell for notification, that little gray bell. Go ahead and hit it. That way when I stick a video out, you'll get a notification that, hey, Scott just put a new video out. Anyway, make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, because I'm gonna be doing a whole series of videos coming up about this Alliance, my Alliance Valor 40V13. And it's in our second year now, full time in it, and people wanna know, is it still worth a crap after 2 years? I'll let you know.